Hello and welcome to our 2 Key on the Mind. Chapter 3 of The Secret by Rhonda Byrne focuses on the power of visualization and how it can be used to manifest our desires. In this guide, we will explore the key concepts from this chapter and provide practical tips on how to use visualization to achieve your goals. Visualization is the process of creating a mental image or movie in your mind of what you want to achieve. When you visualize, you activate the creative power of your subconscious mind and program it to attract similar experiences into your life. Here are the key concepts from Chapter 3 of The Secret on how to use visualization. Choose what you want to visualize. The first step in using visualization is to choose what you want to manifest in your life. It could be a specific goal, such as a new job, a loving relationship, or financial abundance, or it could be a general desire for happiness, health, and fulfillment. Be specific about what you want and focus on the positive aspects of it. Create a clear mental image. Once you have chosen what you want to manifest, create a clear mental image of it in your mind. Imagine that you have already achieved your goal and visualize yourself experiencing the emotions and sensations that come with it. Make the image as vivid and detailed as possible, and use all of your senses to bring it to life. Visualize every day. To manifest your desires, it's important to visualize them every day. Set aside a few minutes each day to visualize your goals and immerse yourself in the positive emotions that come with them. You can do this in the morning, before going to bed, or any time that works for you. Use affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you reprogram your subconscious mind to believe in your goals. Use affirmations that support your visualization, such as I am worthy of success or I am grateful for my abundance. Repeat your affirmations daily while visualizing your goals, and believe in their truth. Feel gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can help you attract more abundance into your life. Feel grateful for the things you have already achieved and the things that are on their way to you. Focus on the positive emotions of gratitude and let them fill you up. Trust the universe. To manifest your desires, it's important to trust that the universe has a plan for you. Believe that everything is working out for your highest good, even if you can't see the results right away. Trust that the universe will guide you towards your desired outcome and have faith that your desires are already on their way to you. Let go of doubt and fear. Doubt and fear are negative emotions that can block the flow of abundance into your life. Let go of any doubts or fears that are holding you back and trust in the power of the universe to manifest your desires. Focus on the positive emotions of love, joy, and gratitude, and let them guide you towards your goals. Take action. While visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires, it's important to take action towards your goals. When you take action towards your goals, you are telling the universe that you are serious about achieving them. Take inspired action that aligns with your goals, and trust that the universe will guide you towards your desired outcome. In conclusion, visualization is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires and achieve your goals. By creating a clear mental image of what you want to achieve, visualizing it every day, using affirmations, feeling gratitude, trusting the universe, letting go of doubt and fear, and taking action towards your goals, you can create the life of your dreams. Remember to stay positive, focused, and persistent, and you will. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe our 2 Key on the Mind and support us to produce more informative videos.